Manjaro, this build shed here, and today I want to be showing y'all. I'm gonna basically be teaching y'all how to use the AUR, the Arch User Repository. I mentioned it last video, and I made this video just in case for any of y'all that installed an Arch Linux-based distro. So the unique thing about the AUR is that most distros have like Debian and Red Hat based distros use .db or and .rc files that you find online and you download and install. I like to call it the traditional way because it's usually how people do it on Windows. And they download exe, install, and go through crap ton more menus. But on Arch is a lot different, and to an extent, might as well say even easier. Though it looks a little more daunting. So pulling this up. So where you want to go is to aur.archlinux.org right here. So aur.archlinux.org. And let's look for package. So let's use Paru as an example. I'm going to use Paru right here. It means you don't download it from here. Though, let's copy that. Pop open Alacrity, or basically any other terminal we have. If a terminal wants to pop up. Okay, XFCE terminal wanted to pop up. So what you want to do is you can do it in your home directory, or you can go into a different directory you created. I basically created a directory dedicated to this kind of stuff in this VM, and I did that on my main system too. And if you're wondering, the terminal command for creating a directory is mkdir and name a directory. Let's just do an ls, and now you can see the directory is created. To remove a directory, would it be arm directory? Yep, it's a nope, it'd be arm-rf directory. And look in there, there's nothing called directory. Let's just hurry up and head to program DB. We'll do a quick ls. It looks like I already got Paru in there. So let's just get Yay in here instead. Let's just do normal Yay. So what you do is git clone and then https://aur.archlinux.org. Name a package, for example, for this one, Yay, and then .git. And that basically clones the Git, like the Git file. Has a folder on here, I believe. So as you can do an ls, you'd see Yay is in there. So let's just change directly to Yay. And then what you need to do is make package or make pkg space -si, and it will sometimes ask for your password, but you're never to run make package -si or any AUR helper as sudo. If it wants you to have root permission, it will ask for it. Now it's installing it. And building it. And I think this could be a good idea, good time to discuss this. Funnily enough, I was doing this and I was trying to record this video earlier. And I was doing it and doing this part of the video in Endeavor OS instead, and I had quite some errors. It was like, screw it, I might as well pop up my Arch Linux VM, which I probably should have done instead of whipping out Endeavor OS. So I'll be back when this part is done. So now it's asking if I want to install it. We'll type in Y for yes. So it's of course checking some stuff. So let's wait on that. Now it's processing package changes. Upgrading, yay. So these look to be empty and not checked. Hope these are not interfering. So yeah, it looks like yay is installed, so yup. I'll just do this. And so now to show off an AUR helper. So with an AUR helper, you do yay, or part of the name of the AUR helper. Like I said earlier, never run it as root or sudo. Like, let me just do that for y'all. Sudo paru. Like, it's going to give you an error, sudo yay. And look, it even tells you not to run, even tells you to avoid running yay as root/sudo. And that's quite a lot. Just not do that right now though. So yeah, so let's do yay space dash s space. Now you can type the name package, but you no longer include the .git at the end. So let's use everyone's favorite proprietary browser, I guess, as an example. So Google Chrome Stable, aka the most overrated browser. It's not dash stable, just Google dash Chrome. Now I'll do that, and then and repository AUR, like of course, you press 1. But out of the options because you're taking to install this, not the beta, not the dev version. So now it's going to install it. It will install any dependencies if it needs to. But right now, downloaded package build, so it says it's already downloaded package build. 1 Google Chrome, of course. Now diff show, you can always you can do A to like see a big about page or whatever. I'm going to do N for none because I just want to get this installed. So go to this, and now it's asking for dependency. I'll press Y. I'll type Y and press enter. Now it's installing Google Chrome, and I'll be back when this is done. So I guess I'm back now. So let's get on with that. It's basically going through a little bit more, and yeah. Now that's done. You just type in Google-Chrome-stable. I'll open it up. And fun fact: typing this in or the name of the program in will like open up the program, but also give you an entire log of what's going on too. So if the program crashes, you can see what caused it. So just click that. Now it's like this. That's popped up. It's also popped up over here if you want to click on that, which we aren't. Let's do yay-h. A fun fact, I guess, to uninstall a package. guess you just do -R. Is that just nuke it? Was proprietary software bad? So I think it's time to show you the one thing. So there's a little difference in Manjaro. You're trying to do the same thing in Manjaro, you're going to get it. You're going to get an issue. The thing is, like there's Yay isn't on here, Harder's not on here. So you're more like, why not just get clone the repository? Get clone https ar.linux/yay.get yay and make package-si, and then look. Error cannot find the fake root binary. Error cannot find the strip binary required for object file stripping. And you're like, the heck? They did. You can't use the AUR on here. The heck? Actually, you can. It's just a little different. Using something called PAMAC. You go in here, add and remove software. So here you can find them in here. I can believe find stuff here too. Oh, if you let's update this thing. We'll do a bunch of upgrades. But let me show you through the terminal. So you want to do PAMAC -S, I think. Let's do -H for help. Oh, well, let's do PAMAC install and then yay. And then do that. And now it's synchronizing the database. Let's look through here for yay. Looks like the entire dang collection needs updated. So the command I believe you need to put down would be PAMAC install and then yay, PAMAC and PAMAC space install. So let's get this going. So let's just type in Y. So now it's going. So now it's installing this stuff, and it's basically how this works on Manjaro. I'll be back when this is done. To of course make sure I was right. Hopefully. As y'all can see now, the update, whatever is done installing, it's the morning now, as y'all can obviously see over here. Yay was also installed. Let's just test it out with something like yay space -S and why not my favorite, terminal-based session manager. Oh. Well, I guess you're practically stuck on Pamac for now. So yeah, which is kind of sad in my opinion. Like the fact that you can't do like your normal stuff, you can't just do it the usual way through AUR stuff, the usual way on here. So yeah, but I hope you all kind of enjoyed that little thing I gave off, like the little guide I did on how to use the AUR on Arch, Linux, and Arch-based distros. So this is Bill Shed here. Hope to see y'all next time. See ya. If y'all like this type of content, make sure to drop a like. If you want to see more of this content, make sure to subscribe. If you don't like this content, or specifically this video, drop a dislike. And it'd be heavily appreciated if you were to also drop a comment explaining why you disliked the video and some issues, also known as constructive feedback. I'll see y'all next time. See ya.